Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are planning for GATE 2026 in architecture and planning, one of the most important things you need to know is what do the past years cutoff looks like. What marks do you need to aim for? Today we'll break down the last 5 year of cutoff trend for GATE architecture, understand what influence these numbers and drive a target for yourself. Let's dive in. So, what is qualifying cutoff versus admission cutoff? First off, the term to distinguish the quantifying cutoff, the minimum marks required to pass GATE and obtain a scoreboard. This is a category based and set by organizing institute determines eligibility for PSU jobs required for MTech applications and valid for 3 years. Admission cutoff is the competitive marks you need to secure admission in specific institute and program varies significantly by institution. Set by individual institution, changes based on competition, higher for premium IITs and NITs. Past 5 years cutoff trends for GATE architecture. Here's the general category qualifying cutoffs for GATE architecture. Over recent years, that is 2019, it was 41, 2020 it was 34, significantly dropped. In 2021 it was 40, in 2022 it was 37.3, in 2023 that is 33.7, lower threshold. In 2025 it was 40, sharply increased. Cutoff fluctuation pattern. There are key factors affecting cutoff, which is difficult of the paper, hard paper, lower cutoff, easier paper, higher cutoff. Number of candidates appearing and their performance, seat availability and category and reservation. Here you can see general category high 40 marks, higher threshold requiring comprehensive preparation across all topics. In OBC, non-creamy layer and EWS, 36 marks can be a target, moderate advantage with 10% relaxation from general category. For SC, ST and PWD, to 26.6 marks, significant relaxation providing greater accessibility to qualifying. So when you prepare and see cutoff trends, remember they are not fixed. They respond to these dynamics. Critical factor influencing annual cutoffs like paper difficulty level, total number of candidates, available seats, programs, and reservation policy. So what marks should you target for and what will be the target zone for GATE Architecture 2026? Safe zone is 35 to 40 marks. Competitive zone will be 45 to 50 marks to open doors for top tiers colleges like IITs, NITs and CEPT. Positions you will above cutoff variation and increase admission chance. Elite zone 60 plus marks targets premium IITs like Kharagpur, Roorkee, SPA Delhi, demonstrates exceptional command over architecture and planning concept. So if you are reserve category OBC, EWS, SC, ST, adjust accordingly but still aim well above minimum qualification to stay safe. So this influence your preparation strategy. Here how you can use cutoff trend to structure your preparation. There is three-phase preparation roadmap. Phase 1, in early phase, complete syllabus coverage, strengthen and fundamental in theory of architecture, building material, construction and planning. Focus on conceptual clarity. In phase 2, core strength development. month 5 to 8, target 40 to 45 marks, intensive practice with previous year question, topic wise test, weak area identification, master calculation based problem and design principle. Final push and perfection for 9 to 12 months. Target will be 50 plus marks. Full length mock test, time management drill, revision of high weightage topics and exam temperament buildings. Fine tune speed and accuracy. How Safal together accelerate your success. Comprehensive mock test series, previous year question analysis and personalized strategy sessions. Aim high and stay consistent. To wrap up, check the past 5 years cutoff for gate architecture have ranged roughly to 33 to 41 marks for general category. These are minimum. We aim higher. Keep this in mind while preparing. If you are serious for cracking gate architecture and want structure guidance and mock tests, you can join me at Suffer Together where we will work together towards 50 plus marks and beyond with the smart strategy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more gate architecture preparation video. See you in the next video where we will analyze college wise cutoff and rank versus marks. Good luck.